Hello, my digital nomads, and in today's video, I want to be showing you how to capture leads, email leads with no monthly payment. That's right. If you're sick and tired of paying all those monthly fees, just stay tuned and you're going to see how you can unlock the power of email marketing without going broke. Unlock the power of email marketing with SendFox. Are you ready to revolutionize your email campaigns and take your engagement to the next level? Stay tuned to discover how SendFox can transform your marketing strategy. I'm excited to introduce you to a game changing tool for your email marketing needs, SendFox. Whether you're a content creator or an email marketer, finding the right email marketing solution can make all the difference. So, why is SendFox perfect for you? For starters, it's designed with simplicity and efficiency in mind. Imagine being able to build stunning landing pages and forms without any design skills. With SendFox, you can do just that. Plus, it allows you to create one off campaigns and automation sequences using ready made email templates. But that's not all. What sets SendFox apart is its cost effectiveness. Instead of paying monthly fees, you only pay a one time fee, making it an ideal choice for those who want top notch features without breaking the bank. Stay with me as we dive deeper into SendFox's features and discover how this tool can revolutionize your email marketing strategy. Trust me, you won't want to miss this. Let's dive into the nitty gritty of SendFox and see what makes it a standout email marketing solution. First, let's talk about the features. SendFox offers a comprehensive suite of tools designed to simplify your email marketing efforts. From building landing pages to setting up automated sequences, this platform has it all. Building landing pages and forms with ease. One of the most impressive aspects of SendFox is its user friendly interface for building landing pages and forms. You don't need any design skills to create visually appealing and functional pages. The drag and drop editor makes it incredibly easy to customize templates to fit your brand's aesthetic. This feature is especially useful for content creators who need to capture lead contact information efficiently. Imagine being able to whip up a professional looking landing page in minutes. One of the most impressive aspects of SendFox is its user friendly interface for building landing pages and forms. You don't need any design skills to create visually appealing and functional pages. The drag and drop editor makes it incredibly easy to customize templates to fit your brand's aesthetic. This feature is especially useful for content creators who need to capture lead contact information efficiently. Imagine being able to whip up a professional looking landing page in minutes, creating campaigns and automation sequences. Next up, creating campaigns and automation sequences. SendFox allows you to set up both one off campaigns and more complex automation sequences with ease. Whether you're launching a new product, sharing a blog post, or nurturing leads through a drip campaign, SendFox has got you covered. The platform offers ready made templates that you can customize to suit your needs, making the entire process seamless and efficient. One time fee, cost effective solution for email marketing. One of the biggest selling points of SendFox is its cost effectiveness. Unlike other email marketing platforms that charge monthly fees, SendFox operates on a one time fee model. This means you pay once and get access to all the features without any recurring costs. For content creators and email marketers working on a budget, this is a game changer. You get professional grade tools without the ongoing financial commitment. Using ready made email templates for efficiency. Efficiency is key when it comes to email marketing, and SendFox understands this well. The platform offers a variety of ready made email templates that you can use right out of the box. These templates are designed to be highly customizable, allowing you to tweak them according to your brand's voice and style. This not only saves you time, but also ensures that your emails look polished and professional. Setting up drip campaigns for consistent engagement. Consistency is crucial in maintaining engagement with your audience, and drip campaigns are an excellent way to achieve this. With SendFox, setting up drip campaigns is straightforward and hassle free. You can schedule emails to be sent at specific intervals, ensuring that your audience receives regular updates without any manual effort on your part. This feature is perfect for nurturing leads over time and keeping your audience engaged with valuable content. In summary, SendFox offers a robust set of features that make it an excellent choice for content creators and email marketers alike. From building landing pages and creating automation sequences to benefiting from its cost effective pricing model, SendFox has proven to be an invaluable tool for us at the Digital Nomad Institute. Stay tuned as I wrap things up with my final thoughts on this fantastic platform. To wrap things up, let's quickly recap the key benefits of SendFox. This platform is an all in one solution for your email marketing needs, offering features like easy to build landing pages and forms, efficient campaign and automation sequence creation, and a variety of customizable email templates. Its one time fee structure makes it a cost effective choice for both content creators and email marketers. My experience with SendFox at the Digital Nomad Institute has been nothing short of transformative. The ease of use, coupled with its robust features, has allowed us to streamline our email marketing efforts and achieve better engagement with our audience. The platform's focus on efficiency and simplicity ensures that you spend less time on the technical aspects and more time creating valuable content. If you're looking to revolutionize your email marketing strategy, I highly recommend giving SendFox a try. Trust me, you won't be disappointed. Thank you for watching. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and visit our website for more tips and insights on digital marketing tools.